Hi everyone, it's Artist from Carpentry and Construction Limited. So we have finished this roof pitch project. Everything's done, all the straps, all the tiling is done, roof tiling, etc. So I just wanted to show you how it looks. So yeah, with the straps, don't forget at 1.5 meters, 1.6. I put it at every fourth joist. If it's a 400 center or so, depending what your joists are, but usually it's a 400 center. So just wanted to show you. So we've done all the down pipes, everything's done. We've done lead here as well. So the only thing has been left to do is coping stones, which bricklayer gonna do. Just show you the back, fill a joint there, but I mean, my work is done. Gutters, fascias, soffits all fitted. There, unfortunately, it made a slight mess because when we did, the weather was okay, but we end up having a shower, so I kept it, I covered it, I kept it as clean as possible. So yeah, that will weather in though. Just wanted to share this with you. So you can see all the ridges, everything's done. And from this side, fascia soffit board is finished as well, all the siliconing, everything is done. So I hope you enjoyed this type of video, and I will catch up you in our next videos.